Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing chili and crunchy KFC style chicken. And if you are joining us for the first time, please kindly hit the subscription button so you don't miss any of our unique recipes. So for this our recipe, we'll be needing chicken breast. If you don't have this, you can use whatever parts of chicken you have, but I strongly recommend chicken breast. So yeah, so when you have your chicken breast, you wash it with clean water and place in a bowl. I like to use apple cider vinegar for my chicken because I like to marinate my chicken. So I put a cap full of apple cider vinegar and then a dash of coriander powder on top of the chicken, and then I add my ginger powder. If you have fresh ginger, you can use that as well. I then added my curry powder, trust me, whatever spices you like would determine whatever you are going to put into your chicken recipe. And then I add my garlic powder. If you still have the fresh garlic roots, you can use that as well. Then I'll go ahead to add my Knorr seasoning cubes. You can use whatever seasoning cubes you like. And then I add my Botch sconnet or fresh pepper, as we popularly call it in Nigeria. So you can use whatever pepper you like, but I like the taste of fresh pepper in my chicken or my beef. Then you sprinkle a little bit of salt on your chicken, and then you gently use your hands and begin to rub the ingredients in. You can see I actually tried to use something to do it, but it was taking my time, so I decided to use my hands because it will be faster and to make sure that the ingredients soak very well inside the chicken. After then, I cover it with a clean cloth and put inside the fridge. And then in a bowl, add 1 cup of flour depending on the quantity of chicken you are using, and half cup of corn flour. Then mix it together till the flour and the corn flour come together. Then add your ginger powder. You can use the fresh ginger too. And then we add our garlic powder. Just a dash of it, you don't have to put so much. I mean it depends on your taste anyway. And then we add our dried cameroon pepper or yellow pepper, or what people call cameroon pepper or osensuka. So like I said, I like my chicken actually very crunchy and chili. I like to eat chili stuff, so that's why the choice of pepper I am using. But I mean, you are free to whatever you want to use in your own recipe. Then I'm adding my Knorr cube seasoning again into this recipe, and then I'm also going to be adding another fresh pepper or Botch sconnet, and then I'll add 1 egg. Then gently use a whisk to mix the ingredients together, and then I'll be pouring a cup of milk. This my milk is mixed with sugar, but if you don't like sugar, you can stay far away from sugar. Just add your milk or your buttermilk or whatever it is you have at home. I stir it together till it forms a thick mixture, and then I will gradually be adding water. It doesn't have to be too thick and it doesn't have to be watery. Just a very soft consistency that is not too watery or too thick. Then next, in another plate, I add my half cup of flour. Like I mentioned earlier, depending on the quantity of chicken you are doing, you might want to add more flour or reduce more flour. So I added my Knorr cube seasoning, and then I added another yellow pepper into this because this is a different mixture. This is a dry mixture. Then I add my garlic powder, my ginger powder, and for you it might be whatever spices you want your recipe to have. You can add as much as you want. I mean, styles are different, choices are different. So you can add cajun powder, you can add cayenne pepper, you can add Botch sconnet like I added, you can add black pepper, whatever it is that you like, you can add to your recipe. So next, we get our chicken after it has marinated for an hour inside the fridge. You bring your chicken, soak into the wet mixture, allow it to enter very well. Then you put it into the dry one. Make sure that all parts of the chicken are very covered with the flour, because you need this thing to enter into your chicken very well. So you make sure that there is no part of the chicken that does not have flour. After doing this, you set it aside and do it for the other chickens. By now, your oil should have been heated up. Next, you place your chicken into your boiling oil. If you want to know if your oil is hot enough, you use a wooden spatula and place on your oil. If it forms a bubble at the edge or at the end of the spatula, you know that your oil is actually ready for frying. Then you place your chicken into your oil and begin to fry it, and then allow the other side to fry for a while before you flip over to the other side to let the other side fry as well. Then you fry this for about 5 minutes. Then take it out of the oil and place in a sieve and allow the oil to drain. Then allow it to cool down before you eat. And then we have a very crispy, chili, crunchy chicken. Trust me, this recipe is very easy to make with whatever ingredients you have. You don't need to have all the ingredients I have. And I want to apologize for the quality of this video. It's not entirely the best because I had not planned to film this. Well, my sister wanted to learn this recipe, so she was filming. Yeah, and so our chicken is ready to be devoured. If you like this video, please hit the subscription button so that you don't miss any of our recipes.